Alright, it's been a minute since I've done a update on the sim rig. Yeah, I made a couple changes. So, let me show you. Alright, I've added the tachometer, a temperature gauge, and a button box. Now, the parts I got off of Amazon to do the entire box with the wrap, this switch setting, these buttons here, plus those. That all in all, wasn't as expensive as some people think. Really wasn't that bad to put together. But the cool part about this guy here, watch this. We go down here, sit here, change like all these different colors, and it's pretty awesome too. And let me go back to that one. Now, if we go over here to SimHub, and we click on the Arduino, over here to gauges, we can do test RPM and watch this. That just goes to show you, yes, the shift light will work. And then, of course, we can turn it back. But this thing has been a thorn in my side to put together. I'm going to explain why. Okay, these two chips. We got this guy here and this guy here. This is an original Arduino chip, which would have absolutely worked brilliant had I not been an idiot and had a wire soldered in the wrong spot and put 12 volts where it should have been 5. So, sorry. But this is a clone to this guy here. Now, this one is 23 bucks, plus change and all that kind of stuff at Amazon. It's the original, real deal, works, plug it in, off you go. This guy, $9.90 something. So you know what I thought? Hey, let's go with the cheaper option, see what could happen. All right, this guy loads beautifully, everything works fine. This one loaded once, worked once, and then Windows said, we're not having it. The driver that Windows will load in will fry the clone. The reason why, it's got what's called a C340 chip in it. That C340 chip, for some reason, Windows don't like. So you have to load in the old loaders and all that kind of stuff, and sometimes they'll just fry it all together. So don't go the clone route. Just go ahead, get the original, and then you'll be all set. Because what you can do, once you get everything all set, and you get into here, you'll go to where it says up here in SimHub, My Hardware. And you'll have to open the tool to do let's go ahead and open that up. I've already got one set. So this screen will come up. And as you can see over here, you got which pins they're going to be and all that good stuff. And then up here, you'll pick your port and your bootloader and all that kind of good stuff. And this is where you come over here and you side scroll, and this is all the cool stuff you could actually put through SimHub onto your Arduino and make it work, as long as you're feeling froggy enough to do it, so to speak. But a lot of cool stuff that you can put on there. Eventually, I'm going to run fuel and boost as well, and it will make for a very, very interesting experience. Now, as of right now, I got the button box, which I think I spent maybe 70 in parts, and you could do it as a no solder installation onto the buttons, depending on which buttons that you get. But because I'm, decent with the soldering iron, I went ahead and upgraded to better buttons and just went that route. Now, on the button box, this guy right here is going to run you about 14 bucks, just this piece by itself. And yes, I do have it soldered in. Now, these buttons, they're actually metal buttons. The 6 over here, I think I paid 10 bucks for. These two were also 10 bucks. The box was, I think, 7. There's a USB encoder board that's on the inside. That I think I paid 15 for, and then another 10 for the carbon fiber wrap thing. And as you can see, I also got a place where I can hang my headset off of that as well. And I know some of you are still going to give me grief for having a Logitech setup, but promise you, The Moza is on the way. I'm just patiently waiting for the to get everything together for the R12, and I've already got the CS wheel sitting over off to the side. Then everything will be set. Now I know I already showed off those guys earlier, the Simsun pedals, and after being on them for a while, I love them. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They are incredible. So, as you can see, the Simrig is evolving and everything's just going pretty well, beautifully. So, I'll try to keep you updated as much as possible. But anyway, stay racing, stay happy, and I'll see you on the next one.